So guys, occasionally, like this dough today, which doesn't happen very often, it's really sticky. And because it's sticky, it's really difficult to work with. So I've had to put extra semolina on the table to try and stop it sticking. I don't know if it's the warm weather or what. It's just crazy. See, this area here is going a bit thin, so as soon as you see that, where you can see your worktop coming through, try and avoid that area. So we start off with the diamond, then I do that to spread my pizza out and rotate it so it's not sticking. You can feel it then when it starts sticking. I'll get some more of this on there. Some people use flour. See how much that's sticking there then. If it's sticking at that side, guess what? It's going to be sticking at that side as well. Right, there's our pizza. Let's crack on. Again, with the sauce. It's normally 4, but there's a bit more, so let's just use it up. Oh, I can hear the ice cream man outside. There's our sauce on. Again, I always put this for another layer of cheese. Quite often I add other cheeses as well. At the moment, I've not really been bothering. These planes are horrendous. Horrendous. Then our cheese. Done, get rid of that. Some salami. Now for making a pizza for myself, I don't do this for everybody else, but if I'm doing a pizza for myself, I always break up the salami. All because one time when I didn't break up the salami in the big pieces, I had it too soon before it cooled down, because I'm greedy and I want to eat the food when it comes out, get it hot. Fortunately, sometimes it's been too hot, and then you've got that bit of basil before I put all the meat on. Prefer the basil in the cheese, you know, rather than on the toppings. Anyway, yeah, so I ate it too soon and burnt my lip and the back of my throat, and from that day on I've pretty much always whipped it up. So whatever size, bite size of food you get, it tends to be a smaller piece, so you can get it down pretty quickly, whereas a bigger piece you tend to struggle with and you'll burn yourself, or if you're me, you'll burn yourself. So we just pinch at the front, slide under quickly. Now for me, you're probably the same, I don't know. Spread that out so it fits onto your pizza peel nicely. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of rearranging. For me, it's a race. As soon as that has gone onto my peel, I want to get that out and in this oven as soon as I can. When I put this in, let's just angle that up a bit. I angle it and then shake it, and once the end's in, the rest works fine. And we're off 2 minutes 30 on artisan. So we're going to come back to that when that pizza's done. So guys, we're coming up now to the last 10 seconds. Might need another 30 seconds, we'll have a look, see how we like it today. I can smell it. That's one. I'm going to give that another 30 seconds because I do like mine. When mine comes out, you'll be like, he's burnt it. What's he burnt it for? I just like mine a little bit more done than everyone else seems to want theirs. It won't be burnt, it won't be like you're imagining, just a little bit more done. So we'll check it. It has another 30 seconds almost, so we'll check it then. Yeah, we'll take it. So I'm going to leave that oven on. I'll show you why in a minute, because I'm going to do another video shortly. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Just angle that down a bit. Yeah, we're looking okay. So until next time, see you later.